Hello all, how you doing? This is Dwayne Mooney. This is your man, Dwayne Mooney. First of all, I want to get clear who you're dealing with. You know, I'm a personal coach. I coach people in personal development and money-making systems and relationships, basically to get you together. And I'm here to talk about why your personal Super Bowl is not filled with success. We just saw the Super Bowl. And I didn't see it. I just watched the fourth quarter because it was the reason why I watched the fourth quarter. I haven't watched football in 2 years, and not because of the strike, just based on, or the protests, just based on the idea of, they get knocked upside the head and a lot of them go crazy, mentally crazy, and they suffer. And, they're beating up their wives and they're killing themselves and just losing all their money because they can't think practically. That was the reason why I don't watch football, not because of the strike. But people have their own reasons to do things. But I wanted to watch the fourth quarter if the game was close. Why I wanted to watch the fourth quarter? Because I wanted to watch what Tom Brady would do. Because he has what we call that super achieving mindset where he's a winner. And no matter if you like him or hate him, you call him a cheat. Can't nobody cheat that much and win as much as he has in the regular season and then Super Bowls. So he's incredible. He has an incredible mindset. And that's what I want to get at is why why your personal Super Bowl is not filled with success. Well, because you don't have the mindset. What I do is study great achievers, like a Brady, like in any endeavor that I want to do, rather it be making money, rather it be relationships, rather it be mindset, wellness. I watch the people who are successful at it. I just put a picture up yesterday on Phillip Michael Thomas, who was the star of Miami Vice with Don Johnson, who played Tubbs, the black guy. And he's almost 70. And he has a picture of him and his daughter. And this dude has a long gray beard, but if you see his face, he looks great. And almost 70. He'll be 70 May 24th. I'll be 61 May 22nd. So he's one of my models as somebody who can stay looking good, stay a ladies' man, and also stay vibrant and healthy and well and live a magnificent, abundant life. So he's one of my models for that. And I have many models for different things. And why people don't have their own personal Super Bowl, their own Super Bowl in that bowl of success, is because they are not living their passion. They are not doing what they love. And you can see it. They are not happy with themselves. And why they're not happy is because they believe in what the Matrix teaches them. And that you can't win, you cannot have anything you want. Because the Matrix teaches you to be a follower. They teach you to be a sheep. They teach you in the so-called American dream, which is not an American dream, it's an American nightmare. The American dream is being who you want and doing what you want to do. The American dream is taught to go to school, get an education, get a job, get married, get a picket fence, retire at 65. Like I said, Phillip Michael Thomas is 70. He don't look like he's retiring to me. Why does one have to retire? Most people retire at 65, get sick by 67, and give all their money back to the institution that they retire from. In other words, they give their money back to the hospitals. So because they're doing something they don't love and they're doing it just for the money, just so they can be secure. That's not the way to live. That's not the way to live. To live in this world is to be authentically free. And that's why I'm teaching a training called Get Real and How to Be the Authentic You. Get Real, how to manifest your greatness so you can be the authentic you. Get real, how to manifest your greatness so you can be the authentic you. And I'm going to teach that. And my point is with this is I want to teach that so you can value who you are and manifest your greatness. Rather if you want money, rather if you want a great relationship, whatever you want, we're going to cover all those things. How to empower yourself toward your relationships, your money, what you want to do in life, your communication skills, your sexual skills, everything you need to know to be a better person, man or woman. We're going to deal with the archetypes that create the foundation for you to succeed in this world. Most of us are only dealing with a couple of archetypes. You have some leadership archetypes. You have some, men have certain archetypes. Women have certain archetypes that we want you to tap into those so you can start fulfilling your destiny. That's why we want you to get real. Get real with yourself. Stop living a fake life. What is it that you really want? What do you want? How come you can't be like a Brady? How come you can't be like the people that you love out there in the media, in the world, that you admire? The attributes that are in them, we're going to teach you how to get those for yourselves, how to transfer that energy into you so you can manifest your own greatness. Because you're great. You're just as great as anybody out there. You can have as much money as you want. You can have any kind of relationship you want. You want a monogamous, great relationship? I'm going to show you how to do that. You want multiple relationships? I'm going to show you how to do that. It's a belief on what you can do and what you want. But you have to get real with yourself. Not what, the matrix tells you, but what you tell yourself. That voice you have to program to tell you what to do, to correct what's in this life for you so you can be happy. I'm a 61-year-old man. I have multiple women. I'm making money. I'm doing my thing. And I've tapped into my God self, as one would say, my personal power, my connection with Source, which is in me. And I'm making it happen for me. And I'm just watching the world. I'm watching the world adapt to me. I don't adapt to the world. I make the world adapt to me. I don't adapt to the matrix. I make the matrix adapt to me. Because you know why? Because they have what I want. People in the matrix need to be healed. They need to be rejuvenated. They need to discover their dreams that they've thrown away. They need to have great relationships and stop being unhappy. That's why this 6-week course, Get Real, Manifest Your Greatness, is going to, each week, we're going to tap into what you need to be, who you need to be. We're going to show you how to tap into you so you can be your best self, so you can be your greatest self, so you can be your most authentic self. Okay? So look it up. I want you to click in, check it out. Right now, the course, we have a early bird special. It's only $99. 6 weeks. $99. Instead of the regular price as $199. February 15th is going to be $199. So after that, $199. So get it for $99. Get in and let's start changing your life and making you great. And it's time to get real. Dwayne Mooney signing off. Love each and every one of you. Peace and prosperity.